Welcome to another exciting episode of Musa N Show. Here is what we have today.
Sanibonani, njengoba ke kwivideo edlule eyandulela le sithola istructure se-leadership sa-nationally ebesisethulelwa i-MK Party. Namuhla ke sizongena kwi-structure sase-KZN ngokwehlukahlukana kwaso. Ngaphambi kwangene ku-structure lesi sase-KZN, ngiyabonga kakhulu ngoba subscribeile. Ngiyabonga, ngiyacela niqhubeke nisubscribe uma ungaka-subscribe. Ni-like, ni-share and comment. Okunye nje ngicela uma kuvela ama-advert, ngicela nawo niwabuke ngoba ukuwabuka kwenu lokho kusiza ukuthi nathi kube khona esikutholayo. Yebo, kuwe akho lutho ozoyikhokha wena ngokubuka advert, uyayibuka nje idlale bese ubukela ivideo. Lokho ke kuyayisiza i-channel ukuthi ikhule njengoba nathi sifisa ukuthi sithenge equipment nedatha lokuthi siqhubeke sinenzele ama-video. Ngiyacela futhi ningajoyina ne-membership yale channel. Iqala ku-R20 ngenyanga, khokha nje u-R20 ngenyanga kodwa yashiyana. Qala nje ku-R20 kuya phezulu ngenyanga. Lokho kuzoyisiza kakhulu ku-channel ukuthi ama-donation lawa azoyisiza kakhulu i-channel ukuthi ikhule. Asingeneke kwi-structure sase-KZN. Njengoba ubona ke statement lesi sikhishwe ngomhla ka-24 kuJanuwari 2025. Siyachaza ukuthi i-national officials bahlalile ngokubambisana nangokubonisana base bekhetha ama-members azoba ngama-leader we-MK Party. Umhlangano wabo bunge-21 zikaJanuwari 2025. Futhi bayacacisa ukuthi i-KZN ibaluleke kakhulu ngoba ilapho umkhonto wesizwe phathi othole khona amavoti amaningi khona. Futhi lapho nezinye inhlangano eziza ne-strategy ukwehlukahlukana ukuze bakwazi ukuthi bezokwazi ukuthi babaphazamise. Nazi ke izinto ezibhekiwe kakhulu uma kuzokhethwa abantu. Bathi experience, ukuthi leyo candidate le inayiphi experience. Okwesibili, imapha ama-skills nolwazi abanalo futhi oluphathelene kakhulu nendaba ze-leadership. Bese kuba i-geographic spread of leadership, ukuhlukana kwey'ndawo, ukuhlukana nje kwey'ndawo ukuze leadership ikwazi ukuxhumana. Kube i-gender balance, ukuthi akubalance, kube khona abesilisa kube khona abesifazane. Bese kuba i-generational mix, ibalulekile ke le generational mix. Funa kube khona abancane kube khona abadala ukuze umsebenzi uye phambili ngoba phela njengoba kuthiwa inkunzi esematholeni funa abagrunywe la abancane nabadala babe khona ukuze babaguide laba kubanjiswana. Kube khona national group representation. Ushuthi makuthiwa national group kusuke kukhethwe ukuthi akusuluhlanga olulodwa kuphela, funa kukhethwe ngokuhlanganiswa abantu abehlukene. Kube ukuqhubeka noshintsho. Number 7 wabuthi ukuqhubeka noshintsho. Into ebheke ukuthi lana funeke kwenziwe makukhethwa le structure zicatshanga lezi zinto ukuthi funeka iphathi ikhule. Ngakho ke funeka kukhethwe abantu abazothuthukisa iphathi le ibe nenqubekela phambili noshintsho futhi. Angangiwaqeda wonke lamaphuzu athi singene kwi-leadership. Kodwa ke ofuna ukuzifundela istatement ngisifakile nasi ku screen sakho uyasibona. Obeke as uconvener waKwaZulu Natal eregion eThekwini uComrade Willis Mchunu. Bese deputy convener eregion aphuma kuyo ugu uComrade Linette Zwane. Bese ucoordinator omxhumanisi uphuma kwi-region eThekwini uComrade Busiso Xulu. Bese udeputy coordinator uphuma kuKing Cetshwayo region uComrade Shile Willemse. Bese uorganizer uphuma kwi-district yaseThekwini uComrade Simphiwe Mpungose. Bese udeputy organizer uphuma eNeMoses Mabhida region uComrade Reggie Ngcobo. I-fundraiser uphuma kwi-eThekwini region uComrade Vusi Mvelase. Bese kuthi udeputy fundraiser uphuma naye uMoses Mabhida region uComrade Stephen Moodley. Siyaqhubeka kunama additional members. Comrade Baphezile Ngidi uyi-additional member iposition abekwe kuyo. Kube uComrade Nomuhle Nodala naye uyi-additional member. Futhi ngifuna siqaphele ukuthi laba ebengibabiza amagama abo labo baku-provincial. Manje sesizongena kuma-region. Kwi-region yaseThekwini sinalaba abalandelayo-ke ney'khundla zabo. Oqala uComrade Nhlanhla Shezi, iposition anikwe yena uyi-regional convener. Uphuma ku-sub-region i-North, kwi-zone uNdlovu zone. Then u-deputy regional convener kube uComrade uGlenn Goldstone. Yena uphuma ku-sub-region i-Central, kwi-Prince Cyril Zulu zone. Then owesithathu kube uThabani Luthuli, yena uyi-regional coordinator, naye uphuma ku-Central sub-region, kwi-zone i-Prince Cyril Zulu. Kube uComrade Rochelle Dan, yena uyi-deputy regional coordinator, naye uphuma kwi-Central sub-region, kwi-Prince Cyril Zulu zone. Kube uComrade Ndabezitha Biyela, na yena uyi-regional organizer, uphuma kwi-sub-region i-North, kwi-zone Dube Gandhi. Then u-deputy regional organizer kuba uComrade Philip Mthembu, uphuma kwi-sub-region i-West, then i-Pass 4 zone. Kube u-regional fundraiser uComrade Khanyisani Mazibuko, uphuma kwi-sub-region i-North, kwi-Sibusiso Nkwanyana zone. Kube u-deputy regional fundraiser uComrade Themba Shelembe, uphuma ku-sub-region West, then kwi-Blessing Ninela zone. Manje sesingena kuThukela. KuThukela kukhethe u-regional convener woThukela uComrade Zeli Mazibuko, uphuma kwi-Alfred Duma i-sub-region. U-deputy uThabile Vilakazi, Comrade Thabile Vilakazi, uphuma kuLanga Libalele sub-region. U-regional coordinator uComrade Mthandeni Chonco, uphuma kuLanga Libalele sub-region. Kube u-deputy regional coordinator uComrade Wasman Ngobese, naye uphuma kuLanga Libalele sub-region. Regional organizer uComrade Nkosinathi Mchunu, uphuma ku-Alfred Duma sub-region. Deputy regional organizer uComrade Nathi Nyembe, uphuma ku-Okhahlamba sub-region. Kube regional fundraiser uComrade Amahle Ngema, uphuma Langa Libalele sub-region. Kube u-deputy regional fundraiser uComrade Eugene Radebe, ophuma Okhahlamba sub-region. Laba-ke abalandelayo baphuma bona kuMzinyathi region. E-regional conveyor uComrade Sipho Myeza, uphuma eNdumeni sub-region. Deputy regional conveyor uComrade Lindani Zondi, uphuma kuMvoti sub-region. Kube regional coordinator uComrade Bheki Madonsela, naye uphuma uMvoti sub-region. Kube deputy regional coordinator uComrade Mongezi Mbambo, uphuma ku-Umsinga sub-region. Regional organizer uComrade Mtheleli Dlamini, uphuma ku-Umsinga sub-region. U-deputy regional organizer uComrade Nkululeko Yanga Mthembu, uphuma kwiNquthu sub-region. Regional fundraiser uComrade Khulekani Zondi, uphuma ku-Umsinga sub-region. U-deputy regional fundraiser uComrade Thembelani Shabangu, uphuma ke eNdumeni sub-region. I-region elandelayo uGo district naba ababekiwe khona. Regional conveyor uComrade Lungani Hlongwa, uphuma eRay Nkonyeni sub-region. U-deputy regional conveyor uComrade Maqethuka Gcaba, uphuma naye kuRay Nkonyeni sub-region. Kube u-regional coordinator uComrade Dumsani Cele, uphuma eRay Nkonyeni sub-region. U-deputy regional coordinator uComrade Zinhle Shezi, ophuma uMzumbe sub-region. Regional organizer uComrade Winnie Lezondi, ophuma uMdoni sub-region. U-Deputy Regional Organizer uComrade Mzokhona Bukani Mhlongo uphuma ku-Umdoni Sub-Region. Regional Fundraiser uComrade Samkelo Sithole uphuma eReyinkonyeni Sub-Region. U-Deputy Regional Fundraiser uComrade Philile Ndlovu uphuma ku-Umdoni Sub-Region. Laba-ke abalandelayo baphuma kwi-Moses Mabhida Region, kodwa akakatholakali i-team abazosebenzisana nayo, yingakho bezonikwa amagama nje, ungeke uze ukuthi bakuziphi iy'khundla. Sizonikwa nje amagama wabo nama-sub-region, kodwa iy'khundla abakabi nazo ngoba akakahlanganiswa i-team abazosebenzisana nayo. Nawo-ke amagama abo: uComrade Bhekinkosi Mtolo uphuma kwi-Richmond Sub-Region, Comrade Kerry Ngcobo uphuma ku-Umngeni Sub-Region, kube uComrade Silindile Manyoni uphuma uMsunduzi Sub-Region, Comrade Mzwandile Goge uphuma ku-Umsunduzi Sub-Region, Comrade Philile Mbhele Richmond Sub-Region, Comrade Mthandeni Khumalo eMkhambathini Sub-Region, Comrade Hlengiwe Ngubane Mpofana Sub-Region, Comrade Tolman Zuma Impendle Sub-Region. Laba abalandelayo baphuma kwi-Harry Gwala District. Regional Conveyor uComrade Phasumzi Mpanza. I-Sub-Region Buhlebezwe. U-Deputy Regional Conveyor uComrade Themkosi Ntenza, naye uphuma kwi-Buhlebezwe Sub-Region. Regional Coordinator uComrade Mbuyiseni Phoswa uphuma kwi-NDZ Sub-Region. U-Deputy Regional Coordinator uComrade Nozuko Mayiza uphuma ku-Kokstad Sub-Region. Regional Organizer uComrade Bongani Msomi uphuma uMzimkhulu Sub-Region. U-Deputy Regional Organizer uComrade Senzo Chiya uphuma ku-Ubuhlebezwe Sub-Region. Regional Fundraiser uComrade Dumsani Dladla uphuma ku-NDZ Sub-Region. Deputy Regional Fundraiser uComrade Mkhuseli Nelson Mlengane uphuma uMzimkhulu Sub-Region. Abalandelayo baphuma ku-King Cetshwayo District. U-Regional Conveyor uComrade Siboniso Xulu uphuma uMhlathuze Sub-Region. Deputy Regional Conveyor uComrade Nontando Mthembu uphuma uMlalazi Sub-Region. U-Regional Coordinator uComrade Sifiso Sabela uphuma uMlalazi naye Sub-Region. U-Deputy Regional Coordinator uComrade Dumsani Khanyile uphuma Nkandla Sub-Region. U-Regional Organizer uComrade Sipho Zulu uphuma uMhlathuze Sub-Region. Deputy Regional Organizer uComrade Bheki Treasure Gumede akana Sub-Region. U-Regional Fundraiser uComrade Vusi Hlophe uphuma uMhlathuze Sub-Region. U-Deputy Regional Fundraiser uComrade Sharon Jack Nomohen, ngixolele isibongo sakhe angikwazi ukusifunda kahle, uphuma uMlalazi Sub-Region. Abalandelayo baphuma kwi-Ilembe District. Sino Military Veteran Regional Conveyor Comrade Basil Ntuli uphuma ku-Amandeni Sub-Region. U-Deputy Regional Convener uComrade Zibuse Makhoba uphuma eMandeni Sub-Region. U-Regional Coordinator uComrade Domfuthi Zulu uphuma kuMaphumulo Sub-Region. Deputy Regional Coordinator uComrade Sidudla Mhlongo uphuma kwaDukuza Sub-Region. Regional Organizer uComrade Ndovela uphuma eNdwedwe Sub-Region. Deputy Regional Organizer Comrade Sanele Shandu uphuma eMandeni Sub-Region. Deputy Regional Organizer Comrade Sanele Shandu uphuma eMandeni Sub-Region. Regional Fundraiser Comrade Sholi Mathonsi uphuma kuMandeni Sub-Region. Deputy Regional Fundraiser Comrade Mpume Luthuli uphuma eNdwedwe Sub-Region. Laba abalandelayo baphuma kuMkhanyakude District. Regional Conveyor Comrade Eric Ntuli uphuma uMtubatuba Sub-Region. Deputy Regional Conveyor Comrade Nhlenyama uphuma uMhlabeyalingana Sub-Region. Regional Coordinator uComrade Blessing Bukhosini uphuma ku-Big 5 Sub-Region. Deputy Regional Coordinator, Comrade Senzo Mvuyane, Phuma Mtubatuba Sub-Region. Regional Organizer, Comrade Ntombi Ntshangase, Phuma eJozini Sub-Region. Deputy Regional Organizer, Comrade Lindiwe Ngobane, Phuma uMhlabeyalingana Sub-Region. Regional Fundraiser, Comrade Solomon Msani, Phuma ku-Big 5 Sub-Region. Deputy Regional Fundraiser, Comrade Zonke Tsibande, uphuma Mtubatuba Sub-Region. Laba balandelayo baphuma kwiZululand District. Regional Conveyor, Comrade Stokfair, uphuma uPhongolo Sub-Region. Deputy Regional Conveyor, Comrade Malibongwe Kubheka, uphuma eDumbe Sub-Region. Regional Coordinator, Comrade Sihle Xaba, uphuma eDumbe Sub-Region. Deputy Regional Coordinator, Comrade Kamula Mathenjwa, uphuma Abaqulusi Sub-Region. Deputy Regional Coordinator, Comrade Bheki Bernard Mthembu, Akana Sub-Region. Regional Organizer, Comrade Khangelani Sangweni, uphuma kuNongoma Sub-Region. Deputy Regional Organizer, Comrade Bheki Mhlungu, uphuma uLundi Sub-Region. Regional Fundraiser, Comrade Sebenzile Nkosi, uphuma uPhongolo Sub-Region. Deputy Regional Organizer, Akana Sub-Region naye, uComrade Noma Buthelezi. Laba landelayo baphuma Amajuba District. Regional Convener, Comrade Musa Wenkosi Zulu, Newcastle Sub-Region. Deputy Regional Conveyor, Comrade Sipho Mbatha, Newcastle Sub-Region. Regional Coordinator, Comrade Lekgotla Monareng, Newcastle Sub-Region. Deputy Regional Coordinator, Comrade Nonhlanhla Mthombeni, Newcastle Sub-Region. Regional Organizer, Comrades Busiso Ngobese, Tannhauser Sub-Region. Deputy Regional Organizer, Comrade Busisiwe Makhubo, Newcastle Sub-Region. Regional Fundraiser, Comrade Busisiwe Kubheka, Emadlangeni Sub-Region. Deputy Regional Fundraiser, Comrade Siyabonga Mbokazi, Emadadeni Sub-Region. Ibona-ke laba bakhethiwe kulama region okwehlukana kwawo, nanokuthi baphuma nezikhundla abanikwe zona nama sub-region abaphuma kuwo. Elokuphetha-ke, MK Party bathi is gaining proper organizational shape and form. Idinga ukuthi kubanjiswane kulide wonke ama-progressive forces esa-South Africa. Alikakafiki la funeka ibe khona, kodwa with focus izofika la funeka iye khona. Yonke le organization funeka igayidwe ngama-principles nama-values e-movement lawa abhaliwe kwi-constitution. Nawa nje ambalo: ubuntu, ubuthu, unity in action, pan-Africanism. Njengoba uwabona nawe la ku-screen, angeke ngiqede ukwafunda. Siya-understanda sonke ukuthi sizowalandela lama-principle lama-values. Asizukuwina phela impi, kodwa sowina yonke into esibhekene nayo. Afrika ayibuye. Umlayezo-ke lo phuma kuMkhonto weSizwe Party. Ngiyabonga kakhulu ngesikhathi sakho. Ngwethulela labantu ababekiwe laphaya abakwi-leadership yoMkhonto weSizwe. Semningi kumsebenzi mawubuka nje ukuthi sazosetshenzwa ukubambisana kahle, ukusebenza kahle kwalama region kuzokwenza ukuthi i-national isebenze kahle. Ngoba i-national angeke ibe lutho ngaphandle kwalama sub-region, ngoba lawa ama-ground forces. Nawo ama-ground forces ngabe lutho i-national mayengekho organized. Siyakubonga kakhulu okwenziwe i-high command yoMkhonto weSizwe Party, ngoba manje ikhombisa uMsizwe Party sone direction.